WineSave represents the very latest and the simplest means of keeping opened wine in perfect condition. WineSave is ultra pure argon and is as easy to use as this. Just insert the nozzle into the bottle and press the button for just 1 second. And then, without delay, pop the cork or the cap back on and voila! Your wine will keep perfectly for days or even weeks. And each canister of WineSave can be used at least 50 times. And what this means is that you can now have wines by the glass at home. Open that special bottle knowing that you don't have to drink it all at once. And it also means that, for example, in my household, I can have a glass or two of what I prefer while my partner has a glass or two of what she prefers, which is champagne. And yes, WineSave works just as well on sparkling wines. WineSave, recommended by the most respected critics and used in many of the world's most lauded restaurants.